Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see 4 swing trading stocks for next week. That is for the week of 11 to 15 January 2021. As always we try to find trend line either on daily chart or weekly chart. As you can see, the first stock we have is Britannia. We can draw a trend line. Just look at number of long wick candle. If I go to hourly chart, you can see every single dip or every time price gets to support level which is established around 3530, you see bullish candle. And right now in last 3 to 4 hours you can identify a pattern called higher highs and higher lows. If I go to 15-minute chart, you can see the same thing here as well. So in Monday's session, if Britannia goes or breaks high of today's session, which is above 3590, I can see lot of bullish momentum coming in from buyers, and which can push price towards the high of around 3730. So be ready for huge momentum in the stock for next week. Second stock we have is Asian Paints. As you can see, I did not find any other stock with a trend line pattern, but I have found or I have devised a different strategy to select stocks for swing trading. So here I will go to weekly chart and just see the kind of bullish momentum in the stock. From last 7 weeks, it has been consistently making higher highs and higher lows on a weekly chart. Every single dip, as shown here, is in use as a good level from buyers to buy colossal quantity, and hence which results in huge momentum. So in Monday's session, if stock goes above the market price of 2850, which is high of today's this week, then I can see a lot of interest from buyer. Just see here, from last 4 days you can also see a pattern called higher highs and higher lows. As I have been emphasizing multiple times, this is a extremely bullish pattern. That pattern can also be drawn on hourly chart. So what we are doing basically is we are using same strategy and multi-frame analysis for both swing trading and day trading. Strategies remain same, but we are either checking daily chart, weekly chart, or for that matter even monthly chart if we had to, if we planning to keep the trade for longer time. So as I have shown you, it looks perfectly aligned and set up for a huge momentum in next week. Third swing trading stock for next week is Crisil. Just like Britannia, we can draw a trend line on weekly chart. The support is established around 1920 to 1890 as indicated by long wick candles along with extremely low volume. If I go to daily chart, you can see the size of the bullish candle is shrinking as and when they are getting closer to the support level of 1890. We can see number of candle with the wick on the lower side, but this being or this entire price action falls under a effective strategy called trend line. We can ascertain that we are going to see a breakout once market price goes above 1980. The breakout can last as long as 2100, which is high of this bullish or a bullish trend line. Fourth stock we have is Sundaram Finance. Just pay attention to this week's range. The entire range is contained within previous week's stronger as well as candles with extremely high volume compared to this week. You can spot 3 or 4 long wick candle on the support level, which is around 1780. If I go to daily chart, you can see a effective pattern called higher highs and higher lows. I have been emphasizing this pattern for almost every single of my videos. So also you can see in today's session a bearish day with the wick on the lower side. So we can use this opportunity to buy at the market price of 1870, and this bullish momentum can last at high of these three bullish candles or these three candles. The high is equal to 1918 or 1928. So these are the levels which I have chalked out for all the swing trading stocks, specifically 4 stocks. I have given multiple targets. Make sure that you trail your stop loss and keep your quantity size which you can manage even if the trade goes other way. I do not want you to stop trading just because you had one bad day or one losing trade. That should not happen. We are more concerned or concentrated towards increasing our profitability. Yes, that's what everyone is striving to do, but minimizing losses. And the way of minimizing losses is to keep stop loss, and at the same time to get that additional momentum in the back we have to trail our stop loss too. I'm sure most of you have incorporated this system in your trading style, whether it is intraday or swing. If you have done that, please uh, give me your feedback in the comment box. I will love to know how it has benefited you or it has not benefited you. That might be also one of the sides that I need to consider. So if you are not benefiting from trailing stop loss, then you can also put that comment as well. I will be happy to look at both the sides and then we can take it forward. Thank you for watching.